Hello viewers, and this is the new burger for February 2022. And yes, I did have a bit of a hard day today when ordering this burger because I've seen people having a new car from 2022 and having it top of the range. It's like, why? Why have it top of the range? It's better just have it at mid-range or an SE trim, or even better, just have a scrapped car, because you can still run it with just a bit of fuel, like diesel or petrol. But because I had a bad day in the office today, it's better to have a new burger like the Chicken Big Mac. It's coming. There it is, the Chicken Big Mac. So let's have a taste of that burger to make my day better. So now there's that box. Tastes a bit different than the normal Big Mac. Let's take another bite. It's nice. Very nice in the normal Big Mac because it's chicken. Let's try with a soda wide. So, the Chicken Big Mac does taste really good because it does have these patties like the McChicken patties that is inside the bun there. And if you have it with cola, ordinary Coke from Coca-Cola, that's in McDonald's, it tastes kind of like the same like the ordinary Big Mac that is with beef, but kind of like the same because of the Big Mac sauce. But it's the end of the reviews for now, and the meantime is just buy one from McDonald's, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I had my Chicken Big Mac already, and with the reviews about this burger, it's like, yes, it's quite nice because you have the Coca-Cola with it, but when I had my second bite, it's just almost falling apart. But if it does fall apart, just take it apart because it's much better that way. And about the cars, don't buy an expensive car, people. Just buy something that is mid-range or SE, or buy one that is 300 quid used, because it may last an extra 100 miles before it breaks down. But please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.